Hey there, welcome back to the next video. And in this video I will show you how you can use the highlighter like this. So for example, there is a lot of different charts and I want to specify, let's say, only tables. So I will just say TABL and it will highlight this one. And if I say ACC, it will highlight accessories. If I say E, it will highlight all the things related to E wherever the E is coming. But let's say I want envelopes, so it will highlight only envelope in this case. So how you can do that? It's actually quite simple. If I click it over here on a new sheet, put the order date first of all, and use month. When I use month over here, I can take for the line chart I can take this, and then I can use the subcategory. Here is this, but to enable the highlighter I can come over here and click on show highlighter, and here I have the highlighter which I can now use, like phones, right, and supplies. So anything which it will find out, let's say chairs, it will highlight it. Art, so wherever it is, so you don't have to really juggle through a lot of hundreds of different categories. You can just remove it, let's say, and simply use the highlighter to highlight the category in which you are interested. So that's a quick tip I wanted to show you, and I will then meet you in the new video.